Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. Yet again, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to another episode of Spin the Wheel presented by Featurepreneur. So this might be the day for many that would pay off for all the features that you developed or or for your phenomenal participation in all the non-tech and tech events conducted by us. So before we begin, I would like to throw some light on how Spin the Wheel works for all those who are new here. So in order to participate in our Spin the Wheel contest, the participant must have earned at least or a minimum of 2,500 tag coins. Once you are chosen as the winner of this week, your tag coins will be released. And in order to be part of the next week's Spin the Wheel, you will have to earn 2,500 tag coins again. So you will have an idea of how to participate for Spin the Wheel, but how can one earn all these tag coins? So in order to earn the tag coins, one can develop features or contribute your enthusiastic participation in all the non-tech and tech events conducted by us. Like you said, Spin the Wheel happens every week. And unfortunately, let's say unfortunately, your name wasn't chosen from the wheel for 7 consecutive weeks. Don't worry if you don't leave you hanging. In case your name wasn't chosen, at the end of seventh week, we shall release all your tag coins. So that's pretty much about how Spin the Wheel works. So I wish all the participants a very good luck and we shall begin. Let's see who's the first lucky winner of this week's Spin the Wheel. Okay, so this week's first lucky winner is Varsha, and Varsha has bagged 7,000 tag coins. Varsha, can you unmute and speak to us?
Yes,
Hello, Varsha. First of all, congratulations.
thank you.
How do you feel about winning 7,000 tag coins? That's a huge number.
Yeah, I'm feeling really good.
Yeah, so I see a team name next to you. So I believe like you participated in one of our hackathons. So can you just share us how you earned these tag coins? Like maybe one sentence about it.
Okay, our task is data collection from LinkedIn, and we have to.
Okay.
Uh, okay, so we created a front end with the help of Vue.js,
Mm-hmm.
and back end is MongoDB. So
Okay.
we collected the information from LinkedIn, and we just pasted it in the front end form, and we submitted it. So the information should be stored in the back end, and
Oh,
with a CRUD operation.
so yeah, so you basically worked with Featurepreneur and developed a small feature, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so don't you think Featurepreneur was a good platform for you to learn technical skills like Vue.js and MongoDB and all that? What is your
Yeah,
thought?
yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
really enjoyed working with this. Actually, I learned so much through this task. Like
Okay.
Vue.js is completely new for me, but yeah, we worked on it and we learned a few percent. Like I'm not saying 100%, but yeah, we learned somewhat.
Okay. We are really delighted about that. And once again, congratulations to your team and to you, Asha. So I think
Thank you.
we can, yeah, you're welcome. So I think we can go for the next spin. Let's see who's the next winner. We see a lot of teams who have joined us today. Mm, oh, congratulations to Sonia. So I'm very delighted. I congratulate myself here. So basically, how I earned this might be a very minimum number, but the experience I gained out of this 2,500 tag coins was immense. I'm very glad that I got an opportunity after participating with Big Data Boss Season 3 to work with Featurepreneur, which improvised my skills to another level. I can say that. And the opportunities just kept flowing. My talents had a forum to exhibit. So I'm very grateful to Raja sir as well as the Featurepreneur community for taking me in. And thank you once again for this 2,500 tag coins. I'm very delighted. I like how I appreciated myself. So we can go for the next spin. Naveen or Sainath, someone tell me if we have to stop this spin, like if this is the last one, okay?
Yeah,
Just
you
let
can
me know.
proceed.
Okay. Oh, looks like today is my lucky day. Team Amigas is won 12,500 tag coins. So Team Amigas, congratulations first of all. And I was very glad that I could be part of the Team Amigas in Big Data Wars Season 3. So we had a very unique experience, I would say. Speaking about the hackathon experience, I was very scared when I walked in for the ML hackathon because I thought it's going to be solely about ML, and I did not dive my interest into that yet. But then I was intimated through Instagram that it is not just ML, it's fun, trust me, go join. So my friends like pushed us into this, and but at the end of the event we were like, yes, I'm so grateful to my friend who helped me participate here, who pushed me to participate. It was solely not just about technical but mostly about fun. Usually the hackathons, at the end of the hackathon, you get too overwhelmed and you only remember the technical stuffs and the sleepless nights. But at the end of Big Data Boss Season 3 hackathon, all that I could remember was all the fun tasks that we did, all at the same time, all like, I could remember, I could learn a lot of things about ML as well. So it was basically learning through fun, which helped me remember a lot of things about ML. So thank you once again to Raja sir and to Tax Labs and Featurepreneur for organizing this hackathon. And I'm very, very delighted for bagging so much tag coins this week. Thank you so much. So are we spinning one more time, or we have
Yes,
reached a budget
yeah,
for
we
this?
can proceed for one more time.
Okay, so let's see. Let's see if I get lucky again. Let's spin one more time. Aishwarya, congratulations, Aishwarya. Have you joined us today? Hi,
Yes,
Aishwarya.
yes.
Hi,
Hi, Sonia.
Aishwarya. Yeah. So, Aishwarya, I see your name popping up every week. So you've been working very hard every week, I guess, to bag those tag coins. So
Yeah,
can you
actually,
please
I
share?
mm,
Yeah, please go
okay.
ahead.
I remember winning this tag coin during the AMA session, that random spin.
Yes, yes,
So,
yes. Oh, so
so
this tag coins, like you were the lucky winner of that AMA session, right? With
yes,
Arindam
yes.
Banerjee. Okay, so you're a very lucky person, I would say. Coins are just flowing to you. So congratulations, Aishwarya. And Aishwarya, I have just one question for you. You've been
Yeah.
working with Featurepreneur and I believe with Tax Labs for a while now, right? So can you just like
Yes.
throw a few words about Featurepreneur and Tax Labs so that the others can know your experience?
Okay, this was a fantastic opportunity for me to work with Tag Labs and Featurepreneur. Like I
Okay.
gained much knowledge here. Like I was nearly a fresher when I joined here, but with the help of Raja sir, I gained much knowledge, and thanks to him for creating such opportunities to all the students.
Okay, that's very interesting, and we are so glad that we could give you a lot of experience in hand. That's one fear that every fresher has. How would I like face a corporate world and go work on real-time projects? That's the main motto of Featurepreneur and Tax Labs. Like give all these students hands-on and real-time experience. We are glad that we could give you, and once again, congratulations, Aishwarya.
Thank you.
Like Sonia, we
Can
can
we
go for
spin?
another spin. Yeah, we
Yeah,
can go for
okay,
another
okay,
spin.
Saina. So let's go for another spin. So we have Divya, we have Varshit, and we have another team, Innovative Creators, I believe. Let's see who wins. Varshit, congratulations, Varshit, on winning 2,700 tag coins. Varshit, are you here with us today? Hi,
Yeah,
Varshit.
Sonia, I'm here. Hi,
Hi, Varshit. Congratulations, first of all.
thank you so much. These tag coins are received for an in AMS session for asking valuable questions to guests.
Okay, so yeah, I remember your question was very interesting, and yeah, I hear a lot of people have been participating in Featurepreneurs AMA. Can you just like share your experience on participating in that event, like your AMA view about it?
Yeah, Yeah, it's 21st century new innovation is because it's a learning with the fun.
Okay.
A new way of learning, and it's also give its rewards, which initiates your learning speed and also your creative mind.
Yes, okay. So, like Futurepreneur was very glad in organizing AMA with people who have been real-timely working with ML and data science projects. So it's better to listen from the creator than hearing it from someone else. So we were glad that we could organize a forum for all of you guys to speak to the developers and such. And congratulations, Varshit. Keep participating and keep doing your good work. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so like I think we can go for one last spin. Like,
okay, so one more
winner of the today.
Okay, so let's go for one more spin. Let's see if it's going to be innovative creators or Divya, like team versus a solo. See who wins. Not bad. Girl power here. Divya, I believe you've joined us today. Congratulations, Divya, on bagging 9,000. Yeah, how do you feel, Divya?
Yes, I feel very happy.
Yeah, so can you just explain how you bagged so much tag coins?
Yes, like Varsha explained, we did a task on collecting data collections using Vue.js and Flask. So like that, to the task, we got that.
Okay, right. So keep doing your developing features and keep contributing your enthusiastic participation. Yes. Keep bagging a lot of tag coins. Okay, the forums are always going to be open for you guys. So continue the good work and congratulations, Divya.
Thank you, and also I thank Godwin and Rajesh sir for giving me this opportunity.
That's very sweet of you. It's our pleasure, Divya. Yeah. So don't worry, innovative creators. You're not going to lose your tag coins. It's just going to be there. You can bag them next week. It's just going to keep adding up. So keep participating and keep doing. So Raja sir, do you want to add anything?
Yeah, thanks for your time. And everyone, like, let's say if you want to have any feedback, I'll give you 1 minute. So you can give us feedback. Like, is there any way we can improve it? We can, like, we want to listen to you. So if you like us, like if you like this kind of event, just let us know. If you want to improve something, just let us know. It's open. We are open to criticism, open for feedback. We are happy to listen.
We welcome all constructive feedbacks with open hands. So it doesn't matter any language you're comfortable with, anything that you want to suggest, you take it in a very friendly manner. So you can speak out now. Anyone from the participants, please. I think if there's no feedback, I think, sir, we are doing the job very perfectly. Congratulations to all the admins. They're doing the event very perfectly. Okay. Maybe that's why we don't have any suggestions on improvement.
Okay, that'd be great. Thank you. Thank you guys. You can leave, and Sonia, you can stay. Admins and Sonia can stay. Like other guys, you can leave. Thank you.